Hey, how's it going? That Logic Pro guy here. We know in Logic Pro that we have the ability to sample. That's great, but sometimes you kind of need another technique. And so today I'd like to introduce you to a free plugin called Texture Loom. I just caught this and I just thought it was such a great and impressive plugin. Mostly just because of the freedom that it gives you. There are some limitations, but we're going to work with it. So you can see we have sample A, sample B on the right hand side. On sample B, I'm going to go ahead and load a sample. I'm going to load this one here. It's at 152 BPM. So let me go ahead and line up my BPM as such. Okay, I'll hit open. Okay, it starts to play back. So we're going to start messing with some of the parameters here. Not only am I going to reverse this, but I'm going to create a little bit of resonance drive, add some reverb, add some width. And then the most important is to be able to add an LFO to the filter. And I don't want to use a low pass filter. I'm going to use a high pass. Let's see what this sounds like. Okay, so let's see if this is in line with our current tempo. Let's try this out. Okay, seems like it lines up pretty well. Let's go ahead and resample this though, okay? There are kind of two ways to do this. The easier way would be to create a fake MIDI region that you're not really utilizing. Let's go for a full 8 bars. I'll hit Control B onto a new track, and let's go ahead and just delete the original. We're not going to include the audio tail because I want this to be a perfect region, and let's not include the volume and automation. Here we go. I'll mute the original track and let's take a listen to this. Make sure it loops perfectly. Here we go. Okay, so this sounds pretty good, but I kind of want this to be the end and this to be the beginning. So in order to do that, I'm just going to move this over to the right and then just move this over to the left, create a crossfade in between here. And then this should sound exactly the way I want it to. Let me join these Command J. Okay, that sounds great. So now the trick here is to be able to resample this again. So now let's drag this in, use Logic Sampler. And the reason we would want to do this is so that we can repitch inside of here. Texture Loom doesn't have that capability. And so it's nice to be able to then resample time and time again. Just a great way to be creative in general. So let's see what this sounds like. I'm going to play this out. I'll do it for like a full bar or two. Here we go. Okay, I'll hit Command K to turn off musical typing, V to hide the plugin, and because Logic is constantly capturing your recording, I'll hit Shift R, and there is the performance. Now we want to make sure that this stretches out all the way up to bar 9, so I'm going to hold Option, drag this over to the right, use the marquee tool to chop this up. We will split that. Okay, and let's go into the MIDI region, Command A Q to line everything up. And then you should always double check to the right of the MIDI region. If I click and hold, you can see the length is a perfect 8 bars. So that should work out perfectly. Resampling again. And then let's add a beat on top of this. Let's go with trap. Here we go. And just to make sure you don't sound like everybody else, do me a favor and start swapping some of these. You could use third-party samples, or you can simply just use Logic's offerings. I'm going to hit Y while I select the snare or whatever it is you're trying to replace. And let's see if we could find, yeah, that sounds pretty cool. Let's check this out. Here we go. All right, and that is an entirely different way to sample. Please bear in mind that Texture Loom has the ability to have 2 samples playing back at once. In my case, it just didn't play out like that because I just liked what I was doing. But you can have 2 different samples, make sure they're in the same key, and I'm sure you can get some great results. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is That Logic Pro Guy. Do me a solid and hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care. God bless.